Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you what you can expect when ordering devices from well-known online sellers like eBay, Banggood, AliExpress, and similar platforms. Specifically, I'll focus on devices that come with 18650 rechargeable lithium batteries. Devices such as this handheld flashlight from Banggood or a laser pointer known as the 301 both come with a battery and a charger. I must say that the charger that comes with this laser is very good and of high quality. So on the table here you can see the battery charger that I introduced on my channel a while ago, along with 3 different rechargeable lithium batteries. The red ones were supplied with the laser pointers, while the yellow one was built into the handheld flashlight as shown in the picture. First, I'll charge them to show you that they are all fully charged, and then I'll use a digital dummy load that I have to discharge them under a load of 500 milliamps. The lower limit for battery discharge is set to 3.2 volts. Let's start with the first battery. I'll discharge it with a constant current of 500 milliamps. I won't bore you with watching the entire discharge process. Those who follow me know that I'm honest and will certainly show the beginning of the discharge and the final result. The result for the first battery is disappointing. It's not crucial what is declared as the capacity on the battery. They are all new and none is older than 45 days. So, it's futile to talk or suspect that the reason for such a poor capacity is age or wear. The next one in line is the yellow battery that came with this handheld flashlight. I can't say how it performed, but the battery itself couldn't illuminate for long, no more than 15 minutes. That's why I opened it, replacing the yellow one with 2 others with an actual capacity of 2000 milliamp hours each. Believe me, now the handheld flashlight can operate continuously for a long time. And again, a truly disappointing result. What can I say except that I didn't expect anything better in devices that cost from $5 to $6 for lasers and around $16 for the flashlight. Let's quickly test the last battery without prolonging it, as we all know what to expect. And of course I didn't expect anything better. In any case, if you are ordering such devices online, be prepared to replace the batteries that come with the devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and see you soon with a new video.